Assalamualaikum. My name is Ali Hussain. I am going to tell a beautiful story about our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. An old woman lived in Makkah. She did not take Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Every day when the Prophet passed by her house, she would throw garbage on him. However, the Prophet never used to complain. One day when Prophet passed by her house, no garbage was thrown on him. He was surprised and looked around for the woman, but could not see her. He became concerned and he went to her house and knocked. "Come in," the woman said. When Prophet entered, the woman was scared. "Don't be scared," the Prophet said. The old woman was ill, so Prophet cleaned her house and filled water for her. The old woman was so impressed that she said to him, "Oh Rasulullah, I want to accept Islam." Rasulullah was happy. His excellent mother had won over an enemy. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.